What's up? This is Wax, and we're going to do the helicopter here. I'm going to start with no helium. What's my motherfucking name? Rosana, freaky little mama. She be trying to fuck all day. And then how it's... Oops. Hit it from the morning till the evening. She be... still fiending. Little mama see that don't play. Rosana, freaky little mama. She be trying to fuck all day. God damn, this is harder than I thought. Hold on. Hit it from the morning to the evening. She be still fiending. Little mama see that don't play. Hello. Me and her done been together for like a couple months. Mama got that punani sweeter than peanut butter crunch. I hit it from the back like a sucker punch, bust a nut back to the front for some uppercuts. Even the laugh is funny. Boom, boom, hey, she is untouchable. So there you have it. There's the helicopter. It wears off pretty fast. Next time we're going to go even more. That's it.